Cooking apa?
Hi, this is Cooking Appa. What do you do if you feel like eating noodles but you cannot, you can only take gluten-free noodles? This is one good option for you. I have some Mi Quang noodles, yeah, this is from Vietnam. For those interested to get it, I will leave the buying info inside the video description. Physically, you can actually get it from any An Viet Vietnamese restaurant throughout the whole Malaysia, all right? Or you can go to their Shopee store. Now, so basically this is made out of 100% the natural ingredient here, and it is the texture will be like more towards noodle, but it is flattened. So it's a bit look like mee pok, yeah. It actually looks more a bit like mee pok, okay. And Appa today actually has some ready-made curry chicken with me, so I'm going to show you very quickly how to make a con lo dried noodles at home. Not sure if you have tried before. It is those type of dried noodle, con lo noodles, where you can find at any of the wonton mee shop, where they actually mix the soya sauce together with the curry chicken. So first of all, you need to blanch the noodle. We do need to blanch the noodle for approximately 8 to 10 minutes. Yeah. So you can imagine this noodle is actually a little, giving you a little bit more bite feel. The whole packet is about 400 grams. You can cook for me easily 4 adults at one time. So this is only a little bit part of it. Let me set the timer. Then let's quickly go and make the sauce. Alright, so these are the things that I'm going to put inside to make the con lo sauce, yeah, the dried noodle sauce. First of all, I have some, I'm going to use 3 types of soya sauce. The first one is light soya sauce, dark soya sauce, and also sweetened dark soya sauce. Sweetened dark soya sauce is optional, yeah, this is, if you don't like it, you don't have to put, but I do like it a little bit of, give it a little bit of sweetness. Then if you have chicken stock, you put in your chicken stock. I don't have chicken stock today, so I'm going to put in some of my Cooking Appa chicken stock powder. And this is actually this is not my chicken stock powder, it's actually my homemade fried onion powder. And one more thing actually, I have some pork lard, yeah, this is pork lard, optional. Let's start making the con lo sauce here. Let's get a plate. I'm going to put in some, this is pork lard, some fried onion powder, some of my Cooking Appa chicken stock powder. Those interested, you can get it from Shopee Malaysia or Shopee Singapore, optional, yeah. Then some dark soya sauce. This is really more for the color. Don't put too much, it can become bitter. And some premium light soya sauce here. And I'm putting a little bit of sweetened dark soya sauce. I'm adding in some of the broth from the noodle. Yeah, it's actually it's actually a very common thing to do for the stores, to use the water they use to boil the noodles as one of the broth. Basically, this is done. Let's just wait for the noodle. Get ready a colander, yeah, at the side, yeah. Later we will you have to sieve out the noodles, yeah. You remove all the excessive water. All right, this is coming to about 9 minutes. To me, good enough. See how beautiful this noodle is. This yellowish color is actually made out of rice noodle, but this yellowish color is actually using a natural ingredient called gardenia. I think it's a natural flower or something. Okay, so it's done. 8-9 minutes, good enough for me. Right, so remove the water and then you can put the noodles on top of the sauce. As the name suggests, this is con lo, so you need to lo. Just now when I took out my pork lard, it is a little bit, it is not melted yet, right? Because I kept it in the fridge. Now it is definitely melted. Super fragrant right now. If you let me try to add, you can add a little bit of garlic oil if you like, to even bring it more fragrance. I actually the shops will normally add some onion oil, but today I actually added the onion powder. So you just adjust accordingly depending on what you have at home. Yeah. But actually I do have some garlic oil. Let me add in some garlic oil. Usually outside they will add in onion oil. And the onion oil is actually made out of fried shallot and also spring onion. I'm using whatever I have at home lah. This is home cooking, right? Alright. There you go. Very simple. I have beautiful con lo noodles and also together with curry chicken. Now when you eat normally you can actually put the curry broth inside this. So a combination between curry broth and also con lo sauce, perfect. It's actually a very common thing to do if you go to places like Ipoh, right? So I hope you like my very simple video today. If you like my video, do share my video on Facebook to your friends. Come Cooking Apa Facebook fan page, you click like and follow button. Follow up on Instagram and subscribe to Cooking Apa YouTube channel. Thank you very much. Bye bye.